Hello, this is Nate, and I'll be giving you an orientation for Be Young RV on this Imagine 2400 bunkhouse. And I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll get it started. Okay, so first off, this is your cover for your propane. I just take the whole cover off rather than try to go through the top here because I want to get to this easier. And this right here is how you pick which propane tank you're going to use. So right now it's aimed towards this propane tank. Lefty-loosey, that's how you turn these on. Righty-tighty, that's off. Right now, to show you guys, I have them both on. And we're gonna go here to the power tongue jack. That is for the light right here, off and on. This is to extend and retract. Now, if you pull this tab, you can use your 3/4 inch tool that I'll show you inside to manually override this tongue jack, okay? Right here is one of your scissor jacks. You got 4 of them, one on each corner. And this is the tool I was telling you about. So basically, you just take this tool right there and spin it to go down and spin it to go up. Don't use it to jack up the coach. It's only used to stabilize. These lights right here will run your front lights on your front cap, okay, on your fiberglass front cap. This light right here is just for the inside bay. Anytime you see a little pod like this, that means it's a motion sensor lighting. Motion sensor lighting, if you put it on the 2 dashes, that means it'll go on motion sensor. Right here, first off, this is some plugins. If you're at a park and they give you satellite or cable, this is where you plug that in. We have a battery disconnect. Right now it's on. You want to keep it on if you are towing with your truck and you're plugged in, or you're plugged into shore power. That way it'll charge your batteries. If you leave for an extended amount of time and you don't want any lights left on, or you're nervous that you left something on, you just turn it off like that, okay? And this right here is your city water connector, okay? So when you're connected to city water, you move this to city water. When you're gonna do a fresh tank fill, just move it up. Now it's gonna be on fresh tank fill, okay? This right here is your outside hose. You have another one on the other side, and that right there is your hose. And that right there is your 30 amp, 30-foot cord. Okay. And we are moving on. So it says gray tank right here. So that means if you look down, you can see the first gray tank pool. Okay. And coming over here, this is a maintenance entrance for your fridge. Coming over here, this guy right here is your black tank flush. So basically, inside your black tank, you got like a little sprinkler that cleans off solids off your sensors, like toilet paper and anything else that would be in a black tank. And that's what this is for. You just plug in the hose, turn it on, and it'll go. It'll start turning the little hose on. Okay. So under here, this is where our sewer outlet is. Notice there is a second gray tank, and your black tank is right there. Okay. You also have another scissor jack here, and low point drains. Okay, you just unplug those to drain all the water out if you're going to winterize your unit. Then you even got a light if you want to do it at night. This bumper right here, you just pop that cap off and you can store your black tank hose right inside there. Here we got a spare tire. We have your spot to plug in your 30 amp cord. This is your ladder. Don't let anyone that's above 250 pounds get on this ladder. That's kind of what it's rated at for weight. This right here is your water heater. You shouldn't have to get in there, only to winterize the unit, but there's no buttons to turn it off or on or anything like that. They're all inside now. And here is your second spray port where you can plug in that blue hose. Okay. Here you got an outside fridge, you got some plugins, and you got your grill. So you would just need to turn the propane on and light these with a little lighter or match to get it going. And to get your propane, sorry, it's kind of hard here. your hose is right along here. You unplug that hose and you would plug it in right there. Okay? And that's how you get the propane to go to your little cooktop. And coming out, you have a power awning, LED lights. This right here is your freshwater tank fill. You just fill it up, and when water starts coming out of this little notch right here, that's when you know you filled it up all the way to the top. This right here is your furnace exhaust. Just be careful, don't put too much hot things next to it. I mean, don't put too many things that'll melt next to it because it's hot. Sorry. Right here are some plugins for maybe an outside TV. You can also run some cable to it to play whatever DVD or whatever channels you got playing inside. And we'll go inside. So, first off, you got the ladder right here. Next, we have a fire extinguisher right there. They kind of say to put your shoes down there. You can do what you want though. Okay, so right here, this is where you test how full your battery is. Right now it says 2/3 charged. Fresh tank, empty. Black tank, empty. Gray 1, empty. Gray 2, empty. This is a quick ceiling light button when you come in. This is your exterior lights for the awning lights. This right here is your water pump. You know it's on when it lights up. Gas water heater lights up. Electric lights up. You use both these at the same time if you want to heat up faster. And then right here is your slide in and out and your awning extend and retract. Okay, and looking up here, top bunk has its own lights and its own USB ports. Second bottom bunk also has the same thing. And you can lift it up like that and lock it into place if you want to store any bikes down there. And next we'll go to the TV. And your stereo is right under here. And your TV remote is right here. Stereo remote is right here. Now wherever you're going, if you turn the TV on, you want to do channel scan to scan the channels because you have a cool HD antenna on the top. Okay? Put those back in. So right here is our cooktop. When you're traveling, leave this glass piece down. But for now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to ignite it. You can even turn the lights on, just like that. And just like that. Pretty cool. Now with the oven, it's this one. You want to turn this on to ignite, have one person holding this in, and another person clicking this like 3 or 4 times, okay? Until you see a pilot light come on way in the back right there, okay? And then it'll light up the whole bottom pan, okay? But yeah, when you're traveling, close that down. Right here is your microwave. Only works if you're plugged in or you got a generator running. Here's your fresh water spout. Also comes out right here, and it's got a little spray right there. Those are your keys. Next we will go to the fridge. Turn it on just like that, off and on. Auto or gas. Auto, it'll automatically find the best way. It'll go to gas or electric. And this is how you can set from cold to high. Just like that. Auto, and then it should go to gas. Yep, because we are not plugged into shore power, so it's using the gas. And turn it off. Right here is your emergency exit, and this is how you do the emergency exit. You can also use it as a window, but you would pull this tab, and then you'd jump right out. Emergency exit. Up top, we have a smoke detector. We have another smoke detector up there. Down here we have our propane and carbon monoxide detector. And right here is our thermostat. Fan low, fan high. Now we're on cool high, cool low, and then cool low auto, cool high auto. Now we're on heat. And with this, we just set our temperatures to whatever we like. And then it'll automatically start kicking on. Just keep in mind, AC comes from the top, heat comes from the bottom. You got to be plugged in to get the AC or have a generator working. Heat will run off propane. If you want to dump the AC out right here, you just have these open, okay? If you want it to run through the ducting, like that, then you would close these, okay? Close that, now it'll run through the ducting, okay? And also the bed lifts up. It is a full queen bed. Just keep in mind that with the full queen bed, you can put any queen mattress you want, but this has special curves on it. So keep that in mind. Sometimes people just want to get a foam topper. You also have plug-ins on one side of the bed, and I think on the other side also have plug-ins. Yes. Also have room for a second TV that you can mount right there. Next, we're going to go into the bathroom. Okay, I'm going to turn on the lights. This right here is porcelain toilet. This is the kick pedal. We would have to have water in here, but normally you would go halfway down and water will start coming out. A little bit's coming out now, and then all the way down to open it. Okay? And you also have a fan up there. Here's your fan switch. And if the fan's not coming on when you hit that switch, that means you need to come up here and hit this one. Okay? There we go. All right, and my name's Nate. I work in the parts department. I'll help you if you have any other questions. One last thing to lower this table. Pull this out, it's unlocked, and then it just folds down. It folds down. And yeah, we also have straps down here. And looks like this seat back here, if the table's unstrapped, we can move this seat out so you can put it outside or out here in front of the table for someone to sit in. And once again, my name is Nate, and I did the walkthrough for this video. I'll see you when you come in on delivery day. Thanks, bye.